Hey y'all, it's me, Abby from the Wonder School. I am here in my dark basement. Ooh, it's scary. No, not really. It's just a basement. We're being real, okay? There's my storage. Anyway, I thought that today I would show you what's in a forager's freezer. Whoop, whoop. So I finally did it. I'm a little bit more settled now. So I made the investment with the help of a holiday sale to get a freezer of my own, a deep freeze. And I will say it's definitely worth it to get an upright freezer. You'll pay a little bit more, but the shelves are a lot easier to access than having everything in this big, deep freezer. And it self-defrosts. Yay! It also has this fancy temperature readout on it, so I feel so cool. Anyway, I thought that I would take a minute to show you what is actually in there. So in my fridge upstairs, I have a teeny tiny freezer that fits almost nothing in it. So it's a big relief to get this. So let's take a look deep in the depths and see what's in there. Played us a little sound, little song just for us. So this is a good place to store things like freezer packs that you don't need to take up the room in your regular freezer, right? I always have freezer packs because I'm traveling or I might want to take a cooler somewhere, whatevs. This, which you may be familiar with if you followed me before, is my freezer compost. So I talk about this when I make bone broth, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's all kinds of leftover goodies that I would usually throw in the compost, but we can use these again to make bone broth out of. So there's some lemon, there's a carrot, there's some onion skins and garlic skins. So little broccoli stock in there, lots of stuff like that. And then this one also has some squash peel in it, and you can see there's some chicken bones from some good organic chicken. And so I'm gonna make some bone broth really soon, and I'll put that in there. Ooh, yay! So persimmons harvested in November. So this is the persimmons once they get mashed a little bit, which just naturally happens when they sit on top of each other in a bag. So I didn't process these at all yet. They are just the mush of the persimmons, and I'm getting ready to make persimmon bread. So I wanted to get these out to thaw. So that yummy persimmon bread, which I'm also making a video about, yay, with the berry spice in it and my homemade vanilla. Oh my God, it's to die for. Okay, what else do we have in here? Moving on to the medicine shelf, we have a whole lot of elderberries. Can you see those? Elderberries. So yeah, those were from 8/23/2020, and those are for making, of course, my elderberry elixir, right? For warding off the flu and viruses, good antiviral, lots of vitamin C. So there's lots and lots of bags of elderberry in here. I think I have 4 of them, so that's good. We want to keep those all year long, especially for cold and flu season. What else? Ooh, I have some, I don't know if you can see that, turmeric. Yes, locally grown turmeric. It's pretty amazing. And I love to put that into my fire cider hot sauce. So good. Tasty, delicious, nutritious, all that good stuff. And here's my dog food shelf. So I have 5 bags of ground rabbit. I bought this from somebody local, and I'm gonna experiment with making my own raw dog food. Very exciting. Right here is some dog food that somebody local made for me. So it's just a mush of a lot of meat and organ parts, basically, and some fat and other goodies. So I just started feeding my dog raw food, and it has seemed to really help with her behavior and her skin issues with like scratchy, itchy skin. Then we get on to the weird stuff. Just warning you. So here's this. This is in a reused bag, so I'd recommend reusing your bags. Or, I mean, glass is awesome. Of course, I'd always prefer that, but can't always have that much glass around. This is actually fat from a groundhog. It's true. So, good story. When my daughter was home last summer, she said to me, "Mom, you know, you should really warn people staying at your house that there's a groundhog in your freezer," because she found this bag, this unmarked bag, and I guess she opened it, and there is a groundhog hide and skull in there that I have yet to process that are from a roadkill. So use all the parts, right? Yes. The other super weird thing I have in here is this, and I can't unwrap it to show you what's in here, but this is actually wood, and it's beeping. We gotta close it. It's getting mad at us. So that is actually green wood that I learned from my friend Becky Byer from Blood and Spice Bush, how to carve green wood and make spoons. And I wanted to take some home to make some spoons later. And she said, all you have to do is wrap it in moist paper towels, put it in a plastic bag, put it in your freezer until you're ready to use it. So pretty cool. Obviously, there's a lot of extra space in my freezer right now, but do not worry. It will get filled up. I have no worries about that. So leave me some comments. Let me know what's in your freezer. Leave me questions if you have any. If you like this video, please like it here below. And please share it with all of your homesteading friends. And please subscribe to the Wonder School channel. I would super duper appreciate it. Happy homesteading.